I was out weeding my garden when I noticed on a thistle plant there were small abnormal bumps. I immediately recognized these as galls. Galls are abnormal plant growths caused by many organisms. Galls formed by insects and mites are caused by the larvae chewing on the plant. This chewing causes the plants to release hormones, which causes abnormal cell growth. Right below the lower epidermis of a leaf, I saw a larvae within a gall. It was not a mite, and I think it's a larvae of a gall midge. Gall midges are a family of small flies that of course make galls, the most notable here in the Midwest being the soybean gall midge. On the surface of a leaf, I also saw another larvae. It was smaller and had a different color. It was slightly more yellow than the other larvae within the gall. I couldn't really tell what family this larvae belonged to. On the leaf of this thistle plant there were many galls. I decided to open one up. You can see the larvae frantically move out as it is being disturbed. Taking a closer look at the larvae, you can also notice the hairs and the mouth. After some research and looking at insect forms, I think the larvae within the gall is Cystifera sanchi, a type of gall midge found on thistles. The larvae, when placed in the galls, are motionless, but when you remove them, they start moving around. In this side-by-side comparison, you can clearly see the difference between the two larvae. Although I'm not a taxonomist, the larvae on the left looks like a fly larvae, more specifically a leaf miner, whose larvae excavate a surface of a leaf, forming trails. Going back to the thistle plant I originally got the galls from, I noticed a small wasp hanging around the plant. I think this wasp is a hyperparasitoid. Hyperparasitoids are organisms that parasitize another parasite. Imagine a parasitic wasp who just laid her eggs onto a leaf. The larvae would then form a gall and be a parasite to the plant. Now imagine another wasp came to lay her eggs on the previous parasite. That wasp would be the hyperparasitoid. Do you guys agree with my insect ID? Comment down below. Thanks for watching.